side vent, carbon fiber side vents, and I thought they were pretty cool. So I asked them if I could get the link to buy them, and there was one more set that was available, and I got them. And these are the ones that I'm going to be installing in my R. They look pretty clean. I mean, the carbon fiber is real. The vents will actually work instead of being covered like, you know, the stock ones. They're just plastic. They have some, looks like tabs there and some 3M tape that'll hold it in. I'm not sure how stable they are. I might add some more tape to keep them in place, because I'm not sure, you know, if they'll fly off or whatever. Just be on the safe side. And what you want to do, because I asked him about it, he said to turn your wheel. You don't have to jack up the car. And there's about, I got 4 here, these plastic rivets that hold the plastic molding underneath the wheel well. I only took about 4 of them off. One here, 2, 3, 4. And that's pretty adequate enough to pop the vent out. There's squeeze tabs that you're supposed to squeeze from what he was telling me, and the thing will pop right out. So set up the cam so you guys will be able to see how I do it. Okay. Have to squeeze them down in the down position. Right here, right here, right here, and it's out. As I was saying, this is an actual vent that works, because at first I thought it was like covered like the front grill, but no, this is an actual vent that works. Hollow. Let's go see how the new one's gonna look. In the area where let that dry for a little bit. You might have to adjust the tabs, because remember, you could adjust the tabs so you're gonna have a nice spot. It's a nice little accent. It's a nice little accent piece you could have. So just do the same thing on the opposite side. Enthusiast saying thank you for watching, and keep red lining.